Hi friends, this is Jithin Gopakuma. Welcome to my channel Money for Money. So in today's video, we'll be discussing about a trade that I posted last week on 5th of August during the live trading session in Bank Nifty. We'll be discussing about how that trade played out. We will also discuss further possibilities of trade in the same chart of Bank Nifty in coming days. So before starting, I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, so you have to do your own studies before taking any position. This is strictly for educational purpose. So with that, let's start the video. Okay guys, so this was the Bank Nifty pattern that I posted on 5th of August during the trading session. I posted a trade on Bank Nifty depending upon the hourly chart of Bank Nifty at this point somewhere around 50,000. So when Bank Nifty gave a bullish close, see this first green candle after this red candle, this green candle. When Bank Nifty gave a bullish close, I posted a trade on Bank Nifty towards the upside with a target of around 5400 or 5450 and a stop loss of 49,700. This target was achieved on the next day when the market has opened. It almost went up to 5683. So we were targeting 1:2 risk reward ratio. We almost got 1:2.5. So after I exited from this trade, so if somebody has taken this trade with one lot of Bank Nifty at around 50,000 at this point of time, you could have made a profit of at least 1,300 or 1,500 from this trade in one lot. Okay, now if we remove all these things, I'm removing all these things and I'm coming to the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. If you look at the weekly chart of Bank Nifty, see the last candle. The last candle is showing a large wick at the bottom, which is a kind of bullish activity in Bank Nifty. You could enter into a trade in Bank Nifty on Monday with stop loss at 49,700, and your target has to be, your first target, if you come back to this daily chart, your first target has to be somewhere around here, 51,100. Your first target should be at 51,100 and your next target should be somewhere around here, 51,900. We cannot keep further higher targets for this trade because if we come back to the hourly chart of Bank Nifty and if we draw a line like this, see, if you draw a line like this line could act as a resistance for Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty has taken multiple reversal from this line. See, multiple points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 9 to 10 times Bank Nifty has been reversing from this resistance line. So this could act as a resistance line again for Bank Nifty. So more targets above 51,900 is not reasonable at this point of time. So your first target should be somewhere around 51,100 and your next target should be somewhere around 51,900 and your stop loss has to be somewhere around 49,700. So this could be a possible trade in Bank Nifty. If it gives a decent breakout from this resistance line, then also we should not take further trade according to me because there is a possibility that before going to the all-time high of Bank Nifty, it could consolidate here. Suppose Bank Nifty breaks out from this point. Suppose Bank Nifty breaks out like this. There is a possibility that it could come down again, touch this point, consolidate a little bit here and then move up. There is also another possibility. Bank Nifty can break out from this resistance line. It can come down here, can go up like this, can come down here, can go up like this, can come down, and it could touch the support line and then move up also. So there are two possibilities. So that's the reason why that I'm telling you should not trade in Bank Nifty if it gives a breakout at this point. I hope this is clear. So that's the end of the video. I would also like to throw some light on the Hindenburg report on SEBI that was published yesterday. So this may impact the market in some way or the other. We cannot predict in which way market is going to react to this news on Monday. So you need to keep these things in mind before entering into this trade. So after the Monday's open, if the market is opening with a huge gap down, then don't enter into this trade. Avoid the trade. If the market is behaving like normal, then wait for 1 hour. Let the market settles down. Then you can consider entering into this trade. Even if you are considering entry into this trade, don't go for more than 2 or 3 lots, maximum 3 lots, not more than that, because there is a possibility that I can be wrong also. So I think the point is clear. So if you like my analysis, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.